okra, ladyfinger, bhindi, ya bhendi as we call in Odia. And this is bhindi 65. Yes, friends, welcome to Flavors of Life with Kanan, and today I'm going to prepare this delicious recipe of bhindi 65 or okra 65. We all know 65, this name is associated with chicken or paneer or cauliflower or mushroom. I thought, why not with bhindi? So I tried this, and believe me, it was so delicious, tasty and crispy and crunchy that it was finished before it was served. It had to be served with along as a side dish with the lunch platter, but no, nothing was left. Everybody came in the kitchen and just picked up and then finished. Nice, no? We all know bhindi is a very good vegetable, highly nutritious. We can call it as a superfood. You know, when in a childhood days we used to read a book to learn the language. There it was written, when we were supposed to learn the letter bha, अक्षर भ सीखने के टाइम एक छोटा सा पोएम हमको सिखाया जाता था, a phrase actually, भेंडी गोटिए भल्ला परिबा, bha and bha. So like that, all these things were going on. So up till now, what I have done, I have made the batter. I have cut the bhindi in a very different way, not in a circular way, in an angular manner I have cut to get those pointed ends. And now it is properly, nicely coated with the batter, and the oil is all set. We will fry small portions of the coated bhindi, and then we will bring it out. As you can see, the write-up is also coming, and the recipe will be there in the description box, and some more information regarding the vegetable will be there. If you wish, you can go and watch and see the description. So now my bhindis are all set. You can eat it as it is also, but I thought let's give it a small twist with that 65 thing. And so for that, I have taken here cooking oil. This is sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons I've taken, and to that I'll add mustards. Mustards have spluttered, the crackling sound, and then a lot of dry whole red chilies. Just for presentation, we are not going to eat this red chilies. And this is garlic and green chili crush. Ginger can also be added, but I've avoided that. And this is 1 big onion, roughly chopped. So all these we will saute in the oil for some time. When the rawness is gone, we will put some curry leaves, fresh curry leaves, which is a must in any 65 recipe. Okay, so it's done. For the crispy bhindis goes in now. It is still crispy and crunchy, and we will try to keep it crispy and crunchy even if we are tempering it with onion and other spices. No need to add any other dry spices, as the bhindi contains everything. We just have to give a tadka. It's kind of tadke wali crispy bhindi or bhindi 65. So you can sprinkle little bit of chaat masala, not lemon juice, because lemon juice will make the bhindi soggy. So I've used a little bit of red chili powder and a little bit of black salt and a little bit of chaat masala, and then our delicious, crispy, crunchy, yummiest bhindi recipe, bhindi 65 okra 65, is ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Flavors of Life with Kanan.